Meet the sugar glider. A pint-sized marvel of the animal kingdom. These adorable tree-dwelling marsupials are like living acrobats leaping through the air with style and grace. Native to the forests of Australia and Indonesia, sugar gliders get their name from their love of sweet nectar and their incredible ability to glide between trees. Using a special membrane called the patagium, stretching from their wrists to their ankles, they can soar up to 150 feet in a single leap. Imagine flying squirrels, but cuter and more compact.